Hey, I'm Philippe Duchâteau, Chief Test Pilot for Dassault Aviation and 10X Project Pilot.
Hi, I'm Sébastien Dupont de Dinchin, Lead Project Pilot for Falcon 10X.
Welcome into this virtual cockpit.
And let's take a tour on the new feature we propose to you on this fantastic jet.
Our objective is to drastically reduce workload while still being able to adapt to the challenges of future air traffic control. Fully proven, on the Rafale fighter jet, a smart throttle will control both engines with a single throttle lever.
It will vastly simplify thrust management, including during noise abatement or reduced thrust takeoff modes, and even in the unlikely occurrence of an engine failure.
Dual head-up display, including Falcon Eye award-winning CVS system, will be proposed as a primary mean for controlling the aircraft.
The digital flight control system will offer new features like a fully automatic recovery mode, which, by just pressing a button, will bring the aircraft back to straight and level flight from any position.
Interaction surfaces are vastly increased with 4 extra displays and new access modalities like multi-touch on all displays.